Hello dear students, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the NTPC. When you will go to the official website of NTPC, you can see on the notice board one recruitment for the post of Assistant Executive Operations and Assistant Commercial Executive Electrical on fixed term basis, and one more recruitment which we are talking about, recruitment for the post of Executive Electrical and Executive PNS on the fixed term basis. So let's talk about the details in these two advertisements. When you will go to here, you can download the advertisement also, and when we will download, let's see. So the first one is the recruitment is for the two different posts. First is Assistant Executive. First is Assistant Executive Operations. The number of posts are 100. You can see here the number of posts are 100. But this is only about the degree in electrical mechanical engineering. So this is only for electrical and mechanical. For this one, experience is required. So the freshers cannot apply for this particular post. Minimum 2 years post qualification experience in operation or maintenance of power plant with it is mentioned. Now this is a fixed term basis job. So this will be a minimum 3 years. After that they can extend for the next 2 years also. When we talk about the second post, the name of the post is Assistant Commercial Executive Electrical. 20 posts are there, 100 are there, so total 120 posts are available. In this, the qualification is here the freshers can apply and they are taking through the GATE 2022 score. Let's see the details here. So degree in electrical engineering from a university definitely, okay, and qualified a GATE 2022 exam, you can apply. Okay, and here this is also contact basis, so minimum this one for the 2 years. After that they can extend for the 1 year. Upper age limit will be 35 years. Okay, and remuneration as mentioned, remuneration as it is mentioned that monthly remuneration will be up to 55,000 rupees plus HRA and other additional benefits you can get. Okay, so the classification of post you can see according to the reservation is also available. You can see the total number of posts are 120. All right guys, now here one more very important thing, how to apply. More details are mentioned. You can see the general details, general instructions are mentioned, but let's talk about the how to apply. So here you can go through the official website www.ntpc.co.in and you can apply there. Their registration fees for the general EWS OBC student, that is 300 rupees. For SC, ST, PWBD and XSM category and female candidates, the registration fees will be 0. Okay, and now the payment you can go through the offline also and online also. So you can go through the online and offline, both the modes are mentioned here. One very important thing, that this advertisement is announced on the 9th May and the last date will be for applying is the 23rd May. So you can apply before 23rd May. Let's see one more vacancy is there. So this one especially for the Jammu and Kashmir only. So here you can see the name of post. The name of post is Executive Electrical, 22 posts. This is also a fixed term basis job. Okay, and here the name of post is Executive PNS. 2 posts are there. The qualification for the post, first is degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university. Definitely experience is required here, so minimum 3 year post qualification experience is required. You can go through this one electrical and it is mentioned in which area the experience is required. When we talk about this second one, qualification will be electrical or mechanical engineering, BE BTech in electrical or mechanical engineering. Experience is minimum 5 years. Post qualification experience, upper age limit will be 35 years. Remuneration will be 1 lakh plus additional benefits you will get. But one very important thing is mentioned here, that posting shall be done in the state of Jammu and Kashmir in both these posts. Okay, right? So other things are mentioned. You can see the classification of post according to the reservation, the general condition. Payment will be there definitely for the 300 rupees. Offline and online mode is available. Now, but what is the last date? The last date for this particular post is 18th May, as it is already started on the 4th May, but the last date will be 18th May. So you can apply before 18th May. Okay, for more details you can go through the official website of NTPC. You can apply for both the posts if you required. Okay guys, thank you. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel.